A fair value gap is a deferred rebalance. It's going to be referred to in a future time. It'll reprice back to it at a later time. So it's a deferred redelivery versus a immediate rebalance. Whereas if you have something like this, and say this candle here opened up and traded immediately right back down in the same candle after the one impulsive candle like this right here. The next candle, if it opened and traded down to the previous candle's high, if I saw that and I'm bullish, that's what I call my immediate rebalance. That is one of the strongest, absolutely strongest time to market perfectly when you're going to see acceleration, price magnitude to the upside. That will be the very candle or the immediately next candle. So there's the only caveat is if it doesn't run on that one, it's the next one. If it doesn't do it by the next candle after the immediate rebalance, you're going to consolidate or reverse. Is that something that you'll want to hold on to if you're long? No. Capital preservation, folks. That's more important than making money.